Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and estate planning attorney in New York. Today I'd like to speak about business unusual. Business, the expression is business as usual. And the last 2 weeks, I've been saying business as unusual, right? The new pattern of practice, of law, and actually dealing in society at large is really changed. So where do we go from here? Well, we take one impossible task at a time and we keep moving on. Today I was asked someone asked me because I'm actually very active in the Bar Association, and so I get to know, and I'm a semi-public figure with respect to the legal community. I'm the president-elect of the Queens County Bar, so I was asked if I knew how to file a family offense. And there is a process now that's taking place. The court is operating really through Skype and for emergency applications only, but there is a process, and between myself and my associate, we fielded some calls from colleagues, members of the private bar, how to file certain documents. And if that's the case, we do know how to file them, and there is a process at this point. Predominantly what I do is the estate planning work, elder law work, guardianship, surrogates court, right? That's how I occupy my time and the work that I do. And my associate, he concerns himself with matrimonial work, certain issues in family court, and civil litigation, such as landlord-tenant or representing businesses. And that's sort of how we divide the work. Now, there's some crossover. I do contested guardianship cases. People are fighting over being a guardian or seeking to cause a guardian, a proposed guardian, not to be able to take that position. But my associate does that as well. And my associate takes and handles divorce cases. But there are instances where I am either court appointed as the attorney for a child, or I'm appointed, or I choose to accept assignments to represent the indigent in custody and visitation cases, or the indigent either in family court or Supreme Court seeking custody. Right? But that's on an indigent basis, and it's by appointment of a judge, right? There are judges that will seek me out and ask that I accept assignment on behalf of someone seeking custody. So that's a portion of my work. All of that really has been adjourned going forward for several months. Right? We don't know where that's going. We know that legal work is still taking place. Advice and communication with clients is still going on. But in terms of when we can get back to the regular day-to-day of the court work, that we don't know. It's a work in progress. Day by day, cases are getting adjourned, and they're being pushed, further out. And some of these dates are placeholder dates. They might further get adjourned from there. But we just have to take one impossible task at a time, and one issue that's before us at a time. So if you would like to speak to me, if you have any questions, please give me a call. And I can be reached at callfrankbruno.com. That's my scheduling page. You can call my office, 718-418-5000. I'm available to speak. Thank you very much.